Top 10 female weaknesses men must know. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the top 10 weaknesses women possess. Weaknesses that, when understood and mastered, can make her yours. We're going to delve deep into the female psyche, uncovering the desires they don't even tell their girlfriends about. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to make her crave your attention, seek your validation, and become utterly addicted to you. Are you ready? Stick around because the last two will change your dating game forever. Weakness 1. The steadfast man. Have you ever noticed how frustrating it is when someone says one thing and does another? It's like a fundamental breach of trust, isn't it? Women crave stability. They yearn for a man who is as good as his word. This isn't about grand gestures, gentlemen. It's about the small things. If you say you'll call her at 7, call her at 7. This consistency sets you apart from the sea of men who are all talk and no action. Be the rock, the anchor in her life. Weakness 2. The confident man. There's a reason why James Bond always gets the girl. It's not just the Aston Martin or the Savile Row suit. It's the unwavering confidence he exudes in every situation. Women are drawn to confidence like moths to a flame. It's a primal attraction, a signal that you are a man who can handle himself, a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. Confidence isn't about arrogance or bravado, gentlemen. It's about quiet self-assurance. It's about speaking your mind without hesitation, about holding eye contact a little longer than usual, about walking into a room like you own the place. It's about being decisive, whether you're choosing a restaurant or making plans for the future. Women are drawn to men who take charge, men who aren't afraid to lead. And the best part is, confidence is a skill that can be learned. So ditch the self-doubt, gentlemen, and step into your power. Weakness 3. The ambitious man. A man without ambition is like a ship without a sail. He might float along for a while, but he's never going to reach any exciting destinations. Women are instinctively drawn to men who have a purpose, a drive, a hunger for something more. It speaks to their primal desire for a partner who can provide, a partner who is going places. Now, ambition doesn't have to mean becoming a CEO or starting your own business, although those are certainly admirable goals. It's about having passions, about setting goals, and about relentlessly pursuing them. It could be mastering a new skill, traveling the world, or simply becoming the best version of yourself. Whatever it is, let your passion shine through. Talk to her about your dreams, your aspirations, your plans for the future. Because when a woman sees a man on a mission, she can't help but be drawn to his energy and his drive. Weakness 4. The enigmatic bad boy. There's a certain allure to the unknown, wouldn't you agree? A sense of mystery can be incredibly seductive, and that's especially true when it comes to attracting women. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a leather-clad biker overnight. The bad boy I'm talking about is about cultivating an air of intrigue, a sense that there's more to you than meets the eye. Think of it like a captivating novel. You don't want to give away the entire plot in the first chapter, do you? You want to keep her guessing, keep her wanting to turn the page and discover more. Resist the urge to overshare. Keep some details about your life private. Let her uncover your layers slowly, like peeling back the petals of a flower. This isn't about being aloof or playing games. It's about maintaining a healthy sense of boundaries, about having a life outside of your interactions with her. Weakness 5. Being ignored. Gentlemen, let's talk about one of the most powerful weapons in your arsenal, the art of strategic ignoring. Now, before you get the wrong idea, this isn't about being rude or disrespectful. It's about understanding that constant attention, while flattering at first, can quickly become suffocating. Think about it. When we have something in abundance, we tend to take it for granted. The same principle applies to your attention. If you're always available at her beck and call, always showering her with compliments and affection, it loses its impact. It becomes predictable, mundane even. But when you strategically withdraw your attention, when you're not always so readily available, it creates a vacuum. It sparks a sense of longing, a desire to win back your attention, to prove that she's worthy of your time and energy. This isn't about playing mind games, gentlemen. It's about maintaining a healthy balance in the dynamic. Weakness. 6. A charismatic womanizer. Now, before you jump to conclusions, gentlemen, hear me out. When I say womanizer, I'm not suggesting you become a heartless player. I'm talking about embodying the charismatic qualities that make a man attractive to multiple women. Think about it. When a woman sees that other women are drawn to you, it creates a subconscious sense of validation. It's social proof that you're a man of high value, a man worth pursuing. This doesn't mean you need to surround yourself with a harem of women. It's about being comfortable in social situations, about being engaging and charming, about being the kind of man who effortlessly attracts attention without even trying. Cultivate a diverse social circle that includes intelligent, interesting women. Be seen enjoying their company, laughing, having a good time. Weakness. 7. The well-scented man. You see, scent is the strongest sense tied to memory and emotion. A single whiff of a familiar fragrance can transport us back to a specific time or place, evoking a flood of feelings. And when it comes to attraction, a pleasant scent can be absolutely intoxicating. Think about it. Have you ever walked past someone and been stopped dead in your tracks by their incredible perfume or cologne? It's an instant draw, an unspoken invitation to come closer. Invest in a signature scent that complements your personality, something masculine, alluring, and unforgettable. And don't just reserve it for special occasions, gentlemen. Make it a part of your daily routine. Pay attention to your overall grooming as well, because when you smell good and look good, you feel good. Weakness 8. The masculine man. Before moving on, if you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in the upcoming videos. Gentlemen, in a world that's constantly trying to blur the lines between genders, it's more important than ever to embrace your masculinity. Now, before you start picturing lumberjacks and weightlifters, let me clarify. Masculinity isn't about fitting into a stereotype. It's about embodying the core traits that make you a man: strength, decisiveness, protectiveness, and yes, even a little bit of stoicism. Women are naturally drawn to men who can provide a sense of security, both physically and emotionally. They crave a man who can be their rock, their protector, their unwavering source of strength. This doesn't mean you need to suppress your emotions or become an emotionless robot. It's about being in control of your emotions, about handling challenges with a calm and collected demeanor. Be assertive in your communication. Show her that you're capable, that you can handle whatever life throws your way. Weakness 9. The passionate man. Gentlemen, there's nothing quite as captivating as a man who's passionate. Passion is contagious. It's the lifeblood of an exciting relationship. It lights you up from the inside out, and that, gentlemen, is incredibly attractive. Women are drawn to men who have a zest for life, so don't be afraid to let your true colors shine. Weakness 10. The emotionally intelligent man. Gentlemen, in the game of attraction, emotional intelligence is your secret weapon. It's the key to understanding her unspoken language, to connecting with her on a deeper level, and to building a bond that goes beyond the superficial. Emotional intelligence is about being attuned to her feelings, even when she's not explicitly expressing them. It's about reading between the lines, noticing the subtle cues in her body language, and responding with empathy and understanding. Pay attention to her tone of voice, her facial expressions, her energy levels. Is she withdrawn? Is she stressed? Is she excited? Learn to decipher the messages behind her words. When you demonstrate that you understand her without her having to say a word, it creates a profound sense of connection. It shows her that you see her, that you get her, that you're on the same wavelength. And that, gentlemen, is the foundation of a deep and meaningful connection. The power is yours. Now remember, this isn't about manipulation or taking advantage. It's about understanding the female psyche, about tapping into the desires that drive attraction. By mastering these weaknesses, you're not just increasing your chances of getting a date, you're setting the stage for a deeper, more fulfilling relationship. If you want to make her miss you, even though she is not interested, check out the video on the top right corner. The power is now in your hands, gentlemen. Use it wisely, use it respectfully, and watch as the women in your life can't help but be drawn to your magnetic charm.